Integration to Power BI, fantastic tool for us to be able to give a management overview, a graphical display of what we're doing. The ability for us to be able to share management reporting in real time with seniors at the university allows us to display and convey the message of what we're achieving in a view, in a set of views that they understand. Everybody likes a pie chart.
The actual process of onboarding Jamf, which is to say registering a cloud instance, setting up our DNS to behave appropriately, and then connecting it to our Entra ID directory in the cloud, was completely straightforward. In fact, I'd go as far to say as we have recently went through making SCCM co-managed with Intune in the cloud, and integrating Jamf with Azure AD was simpler, more straightforward, and took us less time. We get our identity management from Entra ID for single identity management for the whole university, and that lets us leverage lots of conditional access policies, for example, in Azure as well. The integration of Entra and Jamf is really slickly done, and we had no issues at all.
So we have used integration layers, so we've got Jamf Protect as part of our core offering. We are integrated back to our Sentinel system, so we are passing our data back, our security data, our cyber data back to be monitored. So there's active monitoring on the devices, and that's at an enterprise level, as we would expect. That's how we build the trust that we know who has the device, what they're using the device for, without looking inside the device.
As part of our initial build with Jamf, we've delivered something which has Jamf Connect into Entra ID, has Jamf Protect are running alongside Microsoft A5, and is live reporting all of that into our Sentinel. So our newly constituted cyber team are able to now pick up and address in real time interactions with our Mac fleet in a way that we've never had before. To say it's an upgrade in our capability is an understatement, a significant understatement.
With Power BI integration, we can produce reports that then can be seen by senior management. Again, we have a single pane of glass for the Microsoft estate and the Apple estate, and we can see all the information that we need, but also to produce reports for senior management or consultants or whoever needs to see those reports. We can produce reports that are appropriate for them. That shows them at a glance how we're progressing with our compliance and how we're working towards getting the entire estate to be managed by Jamf Pro. And that compliance can then be used to dovetail into reporting that we provide to research grants and contracts where they require us to have a certain level of compliance.